Can you imagine a world where we go from fashion to farm and from farm to table? What you're about to see is a bunch of innovators who embarked on this quest.
So this jean is made with COREVA stretch technology. It looks, it feels, and it lasts like any other jean, but it is unique. Once it gets to the end of life, once you've worn it down, you ripped it, you repaired it many times, it goes into the recycling. And a part can be reused to make a new jean, but a part will always be inevitably waste. What we're trying to figure out now, if this could be the beginning of regenerative fashion. As the lab tests say that it's biodegradable and compostable, we want to know if it is compatible with actually growing something.
We are in the heart of Umbria, in Città della Pieve. Is a really old village. Quinto Sapore is not just a farm. Let's call it a project. We're trying to work with the principle of biodynamic, organic, regenerative agriculture to give the instrument to nature to create something for us. So basically what we do is we co-create with nature. And let's say we are biodiverse from all.
So this is the waste after recycling a COREVA jeans. How are you gonna use this now?
Basically, we choose this field to do the experiment, and I'll show you how. As you can see here, the soil is pretty yellowish. So what we're going to do is to dig a hole, a really long hole, put this fiber in the middle and cover it with other soil. Once we did this, we're gonna put tomato on top.
So we use the waste to fertilize tomatoes.
Yes, and to make a perfect bed for our tomato.
This is the most important achievement of my life, the most important achievement of my family. We've been doing textiles since 1938 out of a nature reserve, which makes it very special, very difficult, but where we are from and who we are really made COREVA possible.
We took sample of the soil before and after we grow tomato, and we brought them to the laboratory and we analyzed the soil, and what comes out is really satisfying because the data shows that COREVA jeans work pretty well as a fertilizer. After 2 months we can notice that the tomato grow really well.
So finally, we have validated the whole process, not only through lab tests, but we took it to the fields and we grew food thanks to COREVA, using it as an amendment, as a fertilizer. And we know how food is important to us because it relates to our health directly. And we believe COREVA today really represents a regenerative model which is a circular solution for environmental and human health.
When we started this project, we started with the question. And today we know the answer, which is it is possible. We have a system that is fully circular. Regenerative agriculture marries regenerative fashion. We use our clothes to grow food. I mean, this changes the game forever.